Children, good morning all of you. Today for class 11, ISC, CBSE and West Bengal Board also. Limit of a function, part 4. That means you have already got 3 lessons. You must go through that lesson. Especially video 1 and 2. There are formulas. Formulas you have to learn and you have to remember also. Now please pay your attention on the board. Sums given from ML Agarwal's book exercise 13.1 sum number 4 part 2. There are total 3 sums 1, 2, 3. 3 are 3 types. If you pay your full attention, then easily you will understand. This chapter very simple chapter. First, we have to evaluate the following limits. The expression is given this. After writing this, whether we have to factorize or not, that how will you understand? After putting the value of limits, that is x equal to -1, if you see the expression, এটা যদি 0/0 ফর্ম চলে আসে তাহলে কিন্তু এটাকে ফ্যাক্টরাইজ করতে হবে। আর যদি 0/0 ফর্ম না আসে তাহলে জাস্ট ভ্যালুটা পুট করে সিম্পলিফাই করলে যেটা হবে সেটাই আনসার। এখানে দেখলাম মেন্টালি দেখলাম যে এটা -1 পুট করে 0/0 আসছে না, সেই জন্য জাস্ট আমরা লিমিটের ভ্যালুটা পুট করলাম, এটা লিখলাম। আর যখন লিমিটের ভ্যালুটা পুট করব তখন আর লিমিট এই কথাটা লিখব না, আর যতক্ষণ না ভ্যালু পুট করছি ততক্ষণ এই লিমিটের এই কথাটা লিখতে হবে। তাহলে জাস্ট এক্স এর জায়গায় -1, যেহেতু -1 দেওয়া আছে, 3 -1 +1 -1 -1, এটা সিম্পল সিম্পলিফিকেশন বাই লুকিং easily you will understand. The finally answer is coming -3/2. Naudil and your friends, I think it is clear to you. Next, sum number 5 part 2. This expression, first we have to see whether 0/0 is coming or not. This is 0/0 is not coming, and this we have to check. -1, this is a -1 whole square, that is 1 -1. Naturally here we are getting 0, so here also it will be 0. After putting this value, this is a 2 +2 +1, that is 3, this -3 +3 -3, that will be cancelled. So this is why we are getting the 0/0 form. In this case we have to factorize this expression. So 2x square plus 3x plus 1, this type of factorization you have learned at class 9. Middle term factorization, this middle term we are breaking by 2 terms, that is 2x plus x. Then by taking common 2x we are getting x plus 1 plus 1. Here we have to write limit because we are not putting the value of limit. When we will put the value of limit, then only we will not write limit. So after simplification, x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 divided by, this is a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. X plus 1 will be cancelled. Finally it is coming 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. Now we have to put the value of limit. This is why here we are not writing limit. Here in place of x we are putting -1 -1 plus 1 -1 plus 1. By simplification we are getting half. This is the answer. Not 0/0 and 0/0, and this is inequality form. This is a different type. If x equal to this and find limit this, this and this, you have to pay your full attention, and limit concept of inequality that you have learned at class 10. So I think you can remember this. Limit x tends to 1, that is fx equal to, here see x less than 0. Less than 0, certainly if it is less than 0 then it will be minus, less than 0 minus, but we are taking x equal to 1. X equal to 1. This is why we have to take this expression x plus 2. X plus 2. X tends to 1, we have to find out x tends to 1. Against this we have to consider this expression because this value is greater than equal to 1. Here 1 is given, here it is written clearly why we are taking x plus 2, because it is greater than 1. Here is 1. This is why we have to take this expression x plus 2. After that we have to put the value in place of x. We are putting 1 and plus 2, that is 3. The value of this 3. This is the answer. Now x tends to minus 1. X tends to minus 1, that means naturally the x less than 0. So this expression will come, that is x minus 2. Here also it is written clearly. Then we have to put the value x tends to 1, that is minus 1. By simplifying we are getting 3, minus 3. This is the answer of this. Next we have to find out the value of this. Limit tends to, we are taking minus the negative limit, that is minus less x minus 1. If it is minus, then it will be x minus 2. Reason here is written clearly. And now we are putting the value of x, that is 0. 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. And plus 0, same thing. When it will be plus 0, then naturally it will be x plus 2. Reason is given here. Then by putting the value, we are getting x fx equal to 2. Now since minus fx and plus fx not equal, this is minus 2 and this is 2. Minus 2 not equal to minus 2. This is, therefore x tends to 0, fx does not exist. I think it is clear. নব বুঝতে তো পারছিস, খুব ইজি আছে এবং বন্ধুদেরও দিবি। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ এভরিবডি।